Alright, let's explore some jobs that robots just can't replace, no matter how shiny and high-tech they get. These roles require a human touch, a sprinkle of humor, and maybe a dash of unpredictability. 1. Stand-up comedian robots might be able to tell jokes, but they can't handle hecklers or deliver a punchline with that perfect human timing. Plus, their sense of humor is more like a sense of circuit malfunction. 2. Therapist. Imagine pouring your heart out to a robot therapist. How does that make you feel? It asks, while its empathy chip short circuits. Sometimes, you just need a real human to nod, listen, and pass the tissues. 3. Dog walker. Sure, a robot might walk a dog, but can it handle a sudden squirrel chase or the intricate art of poop scooping? Dogs need a human who understands the complexities of leash tangles and belly rubs. 4. Hairdresser. Robots might be precise, but they lack the creativity and flair of a human stylist. Plus, who wants a haircut from something that might mistake your head for a data port? 5. Kindergarten teacher. Robots might know the alphabet, but they can't handle a room full of energetic 5-year-olds armed with finger pain. It takes a special kind of human to teach, nurture, and survive snack time. 6. Chef. While robots can follow recipes, they can't taste test or improvise when the souffle decides to deflate. Plus, a robot chef won't understand the importance of a secret ingredient, love, and maybe a pinch of salt. 7. Wedding planner. Robots might be organized, but they can't handle the emotional roller coaster of a wedding date. From runaway bridesmaids to last-minute cake disasters, it takes a human to keep everything, and everyone, together. 8. Parent. Robots might be able to change diapers, but they can't provide the love, guidance, and bedtime stories that only a human parent can. Plus, they'd probably get stuck in an endless loop of, why? 9. Art critic. Robots might analyze brushstrokes, but they can't appreciate the existential angst of a banana taped to a wall. Art is subjective, and it takes a human to truly ponder, but is it art? 10. Diplomat. While robots might be logical, they lack the finesse and charm needed for delicate negotiations. Plus, they'd probably short-circuit when faced with a diplomatic dinner featuring 12 forks. These jobs require a human touch, a sense of humor, and the ability to navigate the unpredictable world we live in. So, rest easy knowing that some roles are safe from our robotic overlords, at least for now.